afternoon to all, and a very happy Engineers Day to one and all. On behalf of IES University, Bhopal, I, Tejas Bengali from CSE branch 5th semester, would like to welcome all the participants and viewers to this amazing online program of Engineers Day celebration. We are thankful to Engineer B.S. Yadav Sir, Honorable Chancellor IES University, Dr. Sunita Singh Ma'am, Pro-Chancellor IES University, Shri Devan Singh Sir, Vice Chancellor, Registrar IES University, for their generous presence on this event and who have always encouraged and motivated us by their never-ending hard work, passion for sight, and vision for the education system. I would like to set the ball rolling with a few well-known quotes. As Scott Adams said, engineers like to solve problems. If there are no problems handy available, they will create their own problems. And Prakhar Srivastava said, engineering not only study of 45 subjects, but it is moral studies of intellectual life. These quotes effectively sum up the prominence of engineers and engineering in our life. Everyone knows when Engineers Day is, but do you all know why do we celebrate Engineers Day? Let me tell you. Every year India celebrates Engineers Day on September 15th, the birth anniversary of Sri M. Vishweshwaraya ji, as a mark of remembrance and tribute to the greatest Indian engineer and Bharat Ratna. He went on to become India's first most prolific civil engineer, dam builder, economist, and statesman. Engineer M. Vishweshwaraya ji is credited with inventing the block system, automated doors that close, and the water overflows. And that's how we started celebrating Engineers Day in our country. Now, I would like to call Arbaz Khan from CSE 5th semester for welcome address.
A very hearty good afternoon to one and all. A very happy Engineers Day. On behalf of IS University, I, Arbaz Hussain Khan, CSE branch 5th semester, wish you a very warm welcome. We are thankful to Engineer B.S. Yadav Sir, Chancellor IS University, Dr. Sunita Singh Ma'am, Pro-Chancellor IS University, Shri Devan Singh Sir, CEO, and all the teachers of IS University for their generous presence in Engineers Day celebration. IS University is celebrating Engineers Day today as a mark of remembrance and tribute to the greatest Indian engineer and Bharat Ratna Shri M. Vishweshwaraya ji. To celebrate this occasion, today students from different departments of IS University will give presentation and acknowledging the contribution of engineering towards the society as a whole. I'm sure this online Engineers Day celebration will be enjoyable for all the viewers and the participants. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Arbaz. Now I would like to call Abhishek Parmar, EC branch 2020 batch, and Deepu Kumar, CS branch 2020 batch, to give a presentation on their engineering project startup.
Okay, you can start now.
Yes.
Okay.
Am I audible then? Am I audible?
Yes, Deepu, start.
Okay. Respected Chairman, Sir, Director, Ma'am, faculty members, and my all dear participants, a very warm good afternoon and happy Engineers Day to everyone. I, Deepu Kumar from Computer Science branch, batch 2020, with my friend Abhishek Parmar to present our idea and thoughts on this day. But first of all, we all are here celebrating 53rd Engineers Day, so I would like to say something on this day. So we as an engineer learn together, grow together, and earn together. Engineering teaches us how to make life easier. We are surrounded by engineering inventions, and every day engineers are working to build the magic world. Engineering let you to build your career by yourself. Now I would like to tell as an engineer what I have done till now and what I am doing right now. So I have a YouTube channel called Intellective Tech. I created this channel last year when I was in third year in my engineering. There I teach campus drive programming questions. Till now, more than 4,000 students have subscribed that channel and more than 1 lakh unique students across the country have watched my videos. and thousands of students have cleared Infosys certification exam by watching my preparation videos.
Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Parmar from Electronics and Communication Engineering, graduated in year 2020. I am selected in Cognizant, Capgemini, Mindtree and Mphasis, and with this I am also a Chancellor Award holder. I run a YouTube channel called The Coding Bytes, where I post the videos related to programming, job updates, interview experiences, and especially data structures and algorithms. Because being a non-CSIT student, it was not easy for me to crack these MNCs with the little knowledge of programming. So I thought, why not let's create something and help my juniors to achieve their goals. So I started a YouTube channel and an Instagram page with the name The Coding Bytes. So what we are doing right now. So with the vision of helping students to get their dream job, I and Deepu started working on this website called codestuff.com, which is a platform where we provide free placement materials and resources with the latest pattern of all the companies and latest questions. With this, we also provide the latest job updates and interview questions. So the interview questions and experiences are shared by our students on different social media platforms, which are the latest questions asked during interviews. Also, my technical interviews and HR interview questions are also available on this website. The final version of this website will be launched in the first week of October. You can also join our Telegram channel coursestuff.com for more updates.
Now in this website, I'm going to tell you what we have for you. So, well, many websites provide preparation materials. Most of them are paid, which is not efficient for freshers to pay that and buy the material. So, we are here going to bring latest placement questions of top MNCs like Capgemini, TCS, Infosys, Cognizant, and many more. That will be free of cost. Well, there are multiple ways to join some MNCs like TCS, Capgemini, and Infosys. Like if you talk about Infosys, so there are multiple ways like InfoTQ, Hack with Infi, and some recruitment process. By that, you can join the Infosys. So we are here going to provide every process material so that students or freshers can prepare and they can clear that campus easily. Apart from all these, we will provide some free courses also so that students who are not aware about that courses so they can learn and they can crack the campus easily.
With this, engineers are the person who discover the world by their pain and brain. So with this, I would like to thank all of you for listening us. Happy Engineers Day.
Thank you, Abhishek and Deepu. Now, I would like to call Arafat Hassan from EC Branch 2021 batch to present a knowledgeable project with us.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Syed Hassan Arafat. My branch is EC. Today I show you my project, Smart Generator. As you see that there are three different generators. We are separated to three different sources. As we know, one generator is a switch off. Then the second generator is automatically convert the power to the first generator without any manual process. Because as we know that nowadays आजकल के टाइम में लोड शेडिंग बहुत ज्यादा हो गई है. अपन को पता है इस चीज के, अगर कोई प्रोग्राम हो रहा हो और एक जनरेटर बंद हो जाए उसमें, तो जो दूसरा जनरेटर है वो अपने आप पहले जनरेटर को पावर सप्लाई कर देगा. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं जो तीन सप्लाई है, अपन इसमें एक सप्लाई निकाल देते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली जनरेटर बंद नहीं हुआ है क्योंकि वो ट्रांसफर कर देता है पहले जनरेटर को. सेकेंडली अगर फिर अपन सेकेंड जनरेटर का अपन सप्लाई निकाले फिर ऑटोमेटिकली जनरेटर सप्लाई कर देता है. क्योंकि ये बहुत चीप कॉस्ट में बनता है, इसमें ज्यादा कुछ यूज नहीं होता, सिर्फ 3 स्विचेस यूज होते हैं और 3 प्लग्स यूज होते हैं. सेकेंड, माय प्रोजेक्ट इज RC car. They are homemade RC car. These cars are homemade because many Chinas do not purchase cost of RC cars. That's why we made RC cars. Secondly, we made blank stick. इसको अपन ऑब्स्टिकल हैंडल भी बोल सकते हैं. कोई भी ऑब्स्टिकल जैसे अपने सामने आता है ये बजर बजा देता है उसको डिटेक्ट करके. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं जैसे कोई ऑब्स्टिकल सामने आया, इसको डिटेक्ट कर लेगा, वैसे उसको बता देगा कि सामने कोई ऑब्स्टिकल है, जो ब्लाइंड पर्सन है वो टकराने से बच जाएगा। थैंक यू सो मच।
Okay, so what are the benefits of ये जो अभी आपने दिखाया, इसका benefit क्या है बेटा? As a non-engineering person, और ये कितने में बना होगा ये प्रोजेक्ट? मतलब इसका इकोनॉमिक्स कितना होगा, कितना मतलब इज इट इकोनॉमिकल?
यस मैम, इसके बेनिफिट्स मैम ये है, जो भी कोई ब्लाइंड पर्सन है वो जा रहा है, अगर सामने कोई वॉल आ जाती है तो उसके टकराने से पहले उसको बजर बता देगा कि हाँ आगे कोई ऑब्स्टिकल है। तो इससे मैम बेनिफिट इसका ये है मैम। सेकंड, ये बहुत लो कॉस्ट में बनता है मैम, हार्डली मैम 500 के अंदर में ये स्टिक बन जाती है। और मैम सेकेंडली मैम ये जो
पहले से
अपना
स्टिक हो तो उसमें भी वो लगा सकता है? कैन ही आल्सो इंस्टॉल दिस होल थिंग इन दैट? अमेजिंग, वेरी
मैम
नाइस।
किसमें?
अगर पहले से like blind people have their own sticks, so this whole thing
Yes,
can
ma'am.
we install it in that also? Sir, can you make me the host?
Yes, ma'am. Today we are celebrating Engineers Day through video conferencing due to the COVID situation. In this generation, we are also facing problem in education. So we have to give more focus on online study. Learning is an art of growing. Online learning is a way of growing a skill effectively. As we all know that we can get every material from online platform like YouTube, Udemy, Coursera, and many others. As our senior also given some online courses tips. So we have to continue in growing this technology. Next. Safe learning in COVID time. In this time, we have to be more focused on learning and utilizing our skills and developing in and make it more focus on our project so that we can get more skill. Our government along with parents and teachers are also helping us in learning in this time using safe technology. For example, we are gaining our knowledge in at home and using online forum. Next. Online education. Learn and earn knowledge in COVID time. COVID time has given a great opportunity to learn, earn, and grow our skills. So stay at home and earn the knowledge and continue make yourself motivated. Next, ma'am. Online learning, safe learning during COVID-19. Learning always helps you in growing your skills, and it is not bad for us. We can utilize it in every time. So stay motivated and keep.
Yes.
Good afternoon to respected dignities, faculty members, and all my dear friends present here. My name is Shashwat Sarathe from EC branch 8th semester is here to deliver a speech on Engineers Day. As we all know, we are all are gathered here to celebrate 53rd Engineers Day, and we also know that we celebrate Engineers Day because it is the birthday of legendary engineer Dr. Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya. He was born in 1860, and after that he was awarded a highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, in 1958 due to his contribution in water harnessing and dams construction and many more. And after that he has completed his graduation from Bangalore, from Pune University, and has contributed in many of the construction of dams and water harnessing system. After that, as we all know, engineers rule the world, and as it is the vision of our APJ Abdul Kalam sir, our former president. India Vision 2020. So we all have to initiate our skills, our strength, and we have to be. Everyone has a dream to live in a developed country, and hence we should contribute. We all should contribute to build a developed nation. Thank you.
Thank you, Shashwat. Now, to conclude today's Engineer Day celebration, I would like to call Arbaz Khan to propose a vote of thanks.
On behalf of IS University, I, Arbaz Hussain Khan, would like to take this opportunity to conclude Engineers Day celebration with a vote of thanks. I hope you all enjoyed this wonderful event which we students have put together. It was really an engrossing and fruitful session. On behalf of IS University, I would like to give my hearty vote of thanks to all the participants for making this online program fabulous by their thoughtful, provoking, and excellent presentation. I would like to express my deep gratitude to Honorable Chancellor Engineer B.S. Yadav Sir, Pro-Chancellor Dr. Sunita Singh Ma'am, and Shri Devan Singh Sir, CEO IS University, for their never-ending encouragement and guidance to organize such events. Last but not the least, thanks to all the participants who attended our live session and made the session a huge success. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.